Have you ever felt like this? How strange things happen. Are you going round a twist? Have you ever felt like this? How strange things happen. Are you going round a twist? Well, have you heard the word about the bird and the spider? It wiggled and wriggled and jiggled inside. Well, have you ever felt like this? How strange things happen. Are you going round a twist? Have you ever felt like this?
Bingo! Bird do! That must be one big bird. Better get a sample. Whoa! A flying junk collector! Leave me alone!
You see, primal screaming is excellent for you and the baby. It relieves tension.
Maybe for you it does.
Well, Linda, that's great, but could we whisper the primal scream?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
You guys will never guess what just happened to me.
Excuse me, we're working.
A giant bird just jumped straight on top of me.
A bird like chick?
It must have been a giant vulture or a prehistoric pterodactyl.
A bird.
Wouldn't the baby already know how to scream?
Dad, primal screaming is not ordinary screaming. It'll help the baby to get in touch with its inner child.
Yeah? Well, if you guys want to get in touch with this outer child, you'll have to speak to my publisher because I've made a great discovery and I'm going to be famous.
That's nice, Bron.
That's good.
I think I found a stink species. be famous. They were gonna call me the Dodo Boy. Oh no, my smell sucker. You're not a dodo. You're a boy bird.
Bronson, you're all right.
What's happened?
He's broken the window.
What is that?
Giant bird. Bronson, how many times have I told you? No pets allowed in your bedroom.
It's not my pet. It tried to kill me and then it followed me home.
Well, if at first you don't succeed.
It's got a human face.
And a broken wing. Dad, we have to look after it.
We've got enough on our plate.
Plate? You're not gonna eat it, are you?
No, of course not. All right, he can stay. In the shed. Only till his wing gets better.
Thanks, Dad.
It's extraordinary.
I think I've discovered a new species. Bronson's boy bird. Now the whole world's gonna sit down and take notice of me.
And half the world are girls.
Don't worry, big fella. I'll take care of you.
Heavenly.
Sublime.
Wow, I've never heard anything like it.
Why, thank you.
It really puts you in touch with nature.
It's gonna put me in touch with girls, too.
Wait till everybody finds out.
Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to let him go.
Aww.
Well, if everybody found out, they'd only want to exploit Boy Bird.
Hey, nobody's gonna explode this boy's boy bird.
Don't worry, Bron. I've got a better idea.
See the wonderful bird boy. Hear him sing. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
It's pretty cool, hey?
It's like, wow. It's like, hey. It's like organically awesome.
Yeah, well, of course you're welcome to come work in the sanctuary with me.
Wow. Hey.
That's cool.
It's gonna be one of a kind. Unique. I don't like to brag, but, I caught the bird myself in a far-out tropical island.
You caught it, like in a trap.
Oh, yuck.
No. I caught it falling. It, broke its wing.
Hey, that's for the sanctuary.
Nice little racket, Twist. Where'd you get the dumb bird?
Same place you got your dumb mouth.
Answer the question or you'll be the one singing, okay?
Yeah, what kind of music do you like? Sharp or flat?
I'm a protected species.
Where'd you get the bird?
The cliff.
Were there any more? We'll have to take this one then. We'll be back. Yeah!
Yeah, and, in fact, the bird and I are thinking of recording some songs together. For a girl piece. Greenpeace album.
You're a musician too.
Yeah. Look, why don't you come down to the lighthouse this afternoon? Maybe I could arrange a private concert.
Like, yeah.
He kept on attacking me, but the world has to know about him, and they've got to know I was the one who found him.
You're right. I'll go and get the fishing club over.
Well, pluck my tail feathers and call me Chook. No, birdie. Ow! Well, that's a remarkable bird you've got there, Bronson.
Thanks. It's a boy bird, in fact. Bronson's boy bird.
Bronson's boy bird, eh? You know, this could be marvellous for Port Miranda. People will come from all over to hear it sing. This could put Port Miranda on the map and make you famous.
Yeah, I know. But of course, I've got to take care of my boy bird. Under no circumstances can I let him be exploded.
No. Oh, absolutely not. No. I couldn't agree more. As a matter of fact, I've got a lot of friends, people who are experts in the bird field, in fact, and in other areas too. Music, media, general contractual matters. And I know that they would be very interested. In fact, I can say that I guarantee they'd be very pleased to help you to keep your bird boy safe. There are a lot of sharks out there.
Gee, I wouldn't want my boy bird to be eaten by any sharks.
Oh. I think we should come round this afternoon and help you out.
Wow. Is that your necklace?
Yeah, I suppose. Well, I found it.
So it's not really yours?
Listen, this is my bedroom. I'll ask questions, okay?
Okay, sorry. You're obviously upset about something.
Yeah? Well, that's where you're wrong. I'm not upset about anything, okay?
So what are we going to call this one? I know, how about the 9?
It's only his 5th recording. How about Bronson's Lullaby?
Yeah. Bron's Lullaby in B.
Brilliant! We're gonna have to start making videos. We could film the boy bird flying.
Over beaches crowded with gorgeous girls. I could do the casting.
As soon as he's famous, we're gonna get offers to do TV appearances.
Maybe we could even host our own wildlife show with a female co-host.
We could even make our own IMAX film.
Or something bigger.
We're gonna need an agent.
Hey, you're looking at the best. I'll have to get my photo taken with the bird, of course.
What for?
For promotional purposes, Bron. Don't you know anything?
Wow. Promotional purposes. Yeah.
You know, enough primal screaming for today.
It's not me, it's Pete. He's so annoying. He's not really interested in the bird's welfare. He's only after the girls. He's so embarrassing. No girl in her right mind would ever be attracted to him.
Hi. Is Pete home? Dad.
To begin with, let me say welcome. You are all very welcome. I'd like to introduce you now to the man who will lead us to the Bronson boy bird, Mr. Tony Twist.
Firstly, I'd just like to say that the boy bird is a very shy creature.
We'll be very quiet.
Secondly, it's got a broken wing. What is it exactly you want to do with the bird?
We want to hear the bird boy sing.
Well, I suggest you all come back later.
Oh,
But
come
when
on,
he's
Tony.
well,
Very quiet.
maybe one or two at a time.
Oh, come on,
Good
Tony.
thinking, Tony. Yes, let's pamper him like the superstar that he is.
First things first, we must clip the wings.
Why would you clip his wings?
Well, so he can't escape, can't fly away.
This bird is unique. We cannot risk losing it.
Yes, and it should be in a proper cage. In a proper lab, with proper security.
Nah, not till we've shot it first.
They said they're gonna clip his wings and then they're gonna shoot him. What do we do?
We've got to get him out of here. We've got to take him to a secret and safe location.
We can't. He'll never be safe anywhere. We'll have to set him free.
Hey! What about the wildlife show and the female co-host? We can't let the bird go now. Not when all our dreams are about to come true. You can't do this to me. I mean, I'm only thinking about the bird. What about its wing? I mean, what if it's not mended yet? Fine. I'll turn my back on stardom. I'll say goodbye to all those beautiful girls.
hope you know what you're doing. This is way too much for one little bird.
But not for Pete Twist.
Pete! You know what we want.
I'm in good time. I've been keeping him away from the crowd because it's too much for one little bird.
Wow. I told you he was a real animal lover.
Like, yeah.
Yes, well, let's leave your love life where it is for the time being, Pete. We want to see the boy bird.
Of course, and you will see it. But first, I'd like to play you something that we've just recorded, the boy bird, that is. It's called Symphony for the Common Hen.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I guess this is goodbye, huh? Are you sure your wing's okay? Take care now.
I'd just like to say that even though I only met the boy bird yesterday, already it's had a profound effect on my life. I found I've really gotten in touch with nature.
Trapped. My leg, it hurts. I can't walk. What do you want to record me for? Can't you see I wasn't singing? I'm crying. Oh. I guess you weren't singing either, huh? I came here to return this. No! Not my hand! Screwed onto my body! Oh, wait till I tell my friends about this. Whoa, my smell sucker! Whoa, that's deadly. Thanks, buddy!
For pity's sake, Pete, will you stop with this cosmic dodswallop? We just want to see the boy bird. That's
How about ready now? We promise we'll be gentle. Like, yeah.
Look, we demand to see the boy bird right now.
Bring it right now. See the boy bird, boy.
As you wish.
There it is! Oh, look!
What did I tell you? Come to Papa!
Bronson, well done.
Thanks.
I'm proud of you, mate.
You did the right thing, Bron.
Hey, he had help.
Okay, you did the right thing too.
Have you ever felt like this? Have you ever felt like this? How strange things happen. Are you going round a twist? If all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put